Hi guys, so here's a unboxing of the CleanCult glass sweet bottles. This is a really heavy bottle, so be careful when you are removing it from its packaging, which is in here. And then in here there was this box, and in this box there was this, and I thought it was closed. So when I took it out like this, and it fell. It's open on the other side. There is a piece of plastic on this bottle. It's right here, and this is also plastic, and these chip really easily. All I did was just fall onto the hard floor, just this much of a distance. So be careful when you are taking this out. They are really heavy. See if you can hear that. Okay, next. I ordered a extra refill because I didn't know whether the bottle was gonna come filled or not. And it is filled. Okay, on to the next box. I ordered these at different times, so I'm not sure if you order yours at the same time they come in the same box or not, but I ordered mine at different times. This next one is the dishwashing tablet. And this is really heavy again, so I'm going to be careful this time when I open it. Okay. It's a pretty little booklet there. So this came free with my shipping. There it is. And I don't think it's going to work for this particular box, but I think it's meant for more of the liquid refills. Now that is a really pretty box. That looks like plastic again, so be careful. And supposedly these are hard enough to not break if I drop them, supposedly. But this piece of plastic, I'm pretty sure will break due to my previous experience. They smell okay. I wouldn't say they smell great, but I'm not much of a fragrance craze. I don't much have a fragrance craze. Unless it's a natural fragrance. So that's that. That's that. That looks like, it feels like rubber. Let's try taking this off. That's that. It's like day to day.
you be feeling blue. Cause you're so far away from those who love you. Wasn't part of the plan, but what can you do? A man gotta do what a man gotta do.